What's a good replacement for peanuts in soups if you've got allergies? Thank you, Now Voyaging, for asking this useful question. Did you know that in Chinese cooking and soups, peanuts are actually a very common ingredient? Not only that, peanut oil is used for cooking and deep frying. So with peanuts, you'll find them in desserts, stews, soups, as stuffing, in dim sum, literally everywhere. So it's not easy being allergic to peanuts and navigating Chinese food. Here are some suggestions for peanut replacements in Chinese soups. The idea is to create a similar flavor and texture profile. This means recreating that nutty, earthy, rich and dark flavor in Chinese soups. Chestnuts, cashews, and walnuts. I love them all. They carry similar flavors and textures and can be prepared the same way as peanuts. Dried mushrooms. My favorite are shiitake and oyster mushrooms. Although if you went to the mushroom aisle in the Chinese supermarket, you'll find the whole forest. So explore it all. Mushrooms also produce a dark, earthy tone to the soup, although tend to be more flavorful and potent. Any types of brown roots are also great additions or substitutes. These roots are actually your vegetable base that complement peanuts very well. This can include the burdock root, arrowroot, or lotus roots. For example, you can use 1 inch of burdock root to replace a handful of peanuts. Another replacement are beans. They are healthy and protein-rich additions to your soup. Red beans, mung beans, or green beans, and yellow beans are all amazing additions. If you want a bit of a Western twist, you can try roasted chickpeas. I'll always keep red beans or green beans in my pantry, just in case. Any suggestions I might have missed? If so, leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to add it to the post. Happy soup making, and see you next time.